Hello guys, it's me, Nikki. Hello! It's the saddest, wonderfulest day of the year. Today is the finale of 2018's Winter Wonder Week, and I wanted to go out with a different type of video that you might have expected from me. If you were here for last year's Winter Wonder Week, you know that I opened Winter Wonder Week 2017 with the Natural Makeup Challenge. Today's video is gonna be my natural makeup challenge. Hello, my name is Nikki, and I am a full coverage glow queen addict. At the time, I know, I saw the comments, I saw the opinions. I was like, this is natural to me. Like, you are talking to the most full coverage queen out there, and I will not live the sheer life. I won't. Basically, I was just doing like a full coverage routine, but using a little bit less product. Now, 1 year later, I wanna revisit that video and see what has changed in a year. You know, your girl got a year older, she went through a lot, and there have been a lot of occasions where I just didn't wanna wear a full beat, but I also didn't wanna look like a train wreck. And that's when slowly but surely, tinted moisturizer entered my life, sheer concealer entered my life, a daytime appropriate face entered my life. Today, I wanna do the Natural Makeup Challenge 2.0, the natural makeup that I know works for me on days where I don't wanna wear a lot. As always, don't forget to stay tuned towards the end of this video for a special giveaway, and I will promise you that today's one is a very special one since it's the finale of Winter Wonder Week. And without any further ado, if you wanna get natural with me, baby, then keep on watching. Hey guys, it's me, Nikki. Hello. So welcome to the most wonderful week of the year. All right, the first thing I'm gonna do is walk out of my studio. All jokes aside, the first thing I'm gonna do is prime, and I'm gonna be priming. Well, there's two options. Well, there's a lot of options when it comes to makeup, but these are my two options right now. What I like to do when going for a more natural look is really glowing it up, because you wanna blind them to sort of like not make them see that you're not wearing all that much makeup. I still stand by that. I was so addicted to the beat that I was like in denial. I was like, no, this is sheer. All right, so I still stand by what I said about giving the skin a lot of glow and illumination to sort of hide the fact that we're not wearing a lot. I still stand by that. I just kind of twist and turned it. Before I actually go in with makeup products, I do want to let you know that I feel like skincare is so important. Like, a good skin regimen will be 50% of your work. I know I already addressed these products in the first Winter Wonder Week of this year, but I just want to reiterate that this serum, Absolute Effects by Nora Bode, and this QMS Relaxo Firm Mask have saved my skin. If you want to hear me talk more about this, please go watch that video. But I feel like this combo has made my dry, crusty skin into, I wouldn't say heaven because that's pushing it too far, but I would say entering the gates of heaven. What I want to do is conceal definitely my under eyes and like any like shadowy stuff on my face. So I'm gonna be starting off with the Charlotte Tilbury Retoucher. Oh my God. Listen, when I used this back then, I hated it. Don't get me wrong, it's a beautiful product and we're actually using it again today, but back then I was using it against my will. Lately, I've fallen in love with this baby right here. This is a Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer, and I feel like everyone knows those, but this one is illuminating. So this has a shine / glow to it. I'm in the color, of course, I'm the fairest one. This is 1N1 Bare Radiance. I use a tiny bit of this. I could use less, but I feel like I've come a great far long way. So I take that and I apply it with a brush. I know, shocking. This is the Real Techniques Instapop Cheek Brush. I pick it up and I first place it on where I would kind of highlight my face, then on my forehead, then picking up a little bit more, chin, nose, lip, jaw. So I'm kind of just, you know, putting it all over the face, and then I start tapping it in using that brush. It is a little bit warmer than my skin tone, which I don't mind. I'm just using this for the overall glow and the almost tan-like finish it gives me. And I feel like as long as you keep like buffing this in, tapping this in, making sure that everything is sitting well on the skin, that leaves you with a sort of holiday glow, like you just came back from a holiday, you're rested, you're a little bit tan, you're having the time of your life. And I just love how this makes my skin look and how it makes me feel. I feel a little bit more confident. It gives me that boost of color, but it also gives me that healthy, shiny glow that I feel always works. Now is the time to bust out that Charlotte Tilbury retoucher again. I'm in the color 1, and I take a little bit and I just point this where I feel a little bit more insecure. When I have more redness surrounding my jaw, I just kind of stipple it on a little bit and let it dry. Now, like I said, a trick to make more sheer products more full coverage is to let them sit and dry. Now, you can do a little bit on your under eyes. I don't mind my dark circles all that much lately, but I'm just gonna cover it up a little bit, nothing too much. If you're all about making your sheer products a little bit more intense, a trick is to get a little fan like this and dry in the product faster. This is just gonna save you time. Now, I'll leave it totally up to you if you wanna work this retoucher concealer in with a brush or a sponge. I've been liking just using my fingers. Patting that product in. And because it's such a sheer product, it's just gonna hide sort of like the unevenness. It's not gonna solve all your life problems, but it is gonna solve today's battle. See how it cleared out the skin and made it look a lot more rested and calm, but it still looks like skin. Same goes for the under eyes, just tapping that in and making sure it blends and becomes one with the skin. Now, like I said, I feel like having that healthy glow really tricks everyone into thinking that you are looking radiant, healthy, and stunting. So to further enhance that, I've been wearing the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter in number 2. I've been raving about this so much on my Instagram stories and my Snapchat. You know how you have like the supermodels and they always have like that perfect, you know, it's almost like they were born with that perfect skin. They have like that beautiful wet radiance, that glow. It's this. I pop this on my cheekbones. It has like the tiniest feather of coverage. So I put it on the center of my forehead, top of the nose, and a little bit on the chin. I start by tapping in the forehead dot using a little brush and just using tapping motions. I never buff in or swipe with my brush because I feel like that's gonna disrupt the base again and give me more redness, whereas I'm really fighting against my redness here. The brush I'm using is the E48 brush by Morphe, and see what kind of luscious, beautiful dew that gives you. That rhymed. And then lastly, the ones on the cheekbones. Now, this is optional. Again, I like doing this because I like having a little bit of a more long wear finish. This one is a highlighter by Juvia's Place. It's called the Tribe Volume 3. And just picking up the slightest bit, like you barely see it, patting it over top of where I applied that glowy Flawless Filter stuff by Charlotte Tilbury, and that's just gonna lock it down for me so I don't have to worry that it's gonna fade throughout the day. All right, now if that feels like too much of a glowy face, there is face powder to help you out. This one is by MAC, but you can use any face powder that you like. I like this one because it has a little bit of coverage in it. And I take this Anastasia A22 brush, I pat the flat side in, and I'm just gonna tame the forehead a little bit. Notice how I'm like working around the glow, not directly on top of it because I wanna keep that glow, but I kind of wanna tame it. One portion that I always put powder to is like right next to the nose and under the eye. This just, it makes it look more, see how this looks a little bit like an oil slick, but here it looks tamed down. Then I also set right here under the sides of the mouth. And can we just already look at the difference from this face compared to my face last year? Like last year, it was a full coverage beat. And this year, you know, of course there's product on my face. I mean, we went in with highlighters and we went in with powders, but overall, this looks like healthy, beautiful, stunning skin without the cake. All right, now to be totally upfront and honest with you, this stage of the face is usually where I stop. The only thing I will do is spray a spoolie with some Stronghold hairspray and push my brow hairs up because I feel like that just makes it look a little bit more, you know, put together. So take a Stronghold hairspray and a spoolie and just brush those hairs into place. Now last year I would have gone in with a tinted brow gel, but I feel like because I get my brows tinted by my mom every now and then, like every month, every 2 months to make them darker, like we actually dye my brow hairs. I feel like that gives me enough definition. I feel like this is gonna sound weird coming from me, but I feel like as soon as I go in with a pencil or a brow gel or like a brow pen, it feels too tried. If I'm doing my brows, I rather have my full carved out brow, my full coverage brow. For me, it feels like it doesn't look right. So I rather just brush my hairs up and leave it at that, or do the whole majig. Now for lashes and eyes, it's sort of the same feel for me. When I wear this natural skin look out, I don't do anything to my eyes. I just really super curl my lashes because I feel like that makes me look more awake. Now, because this is a video and I do want to give you a couple of options, curl your lashes, make sure they're up and curled, and then go in with a waterproof mascara. If you have stubborn straight lashes like I do, waterproof mascara is your hero because it will hold your curl. Now, I personally don't put any mascara on my lower lashes when wearing a look like this because I feel like it's too much, but if you love that, go ahead and do that. Now, optionally would be to add some individual falsies. These are by Urban Decay and they come in like strands of 3, so it like gets the job done quicker. Shall I? No. I just want to keep this as realistic as possible. This is how I do my face as an actual natural makeup challenge. This is how I would wear it. And to be honest, I can't be bothered putting on falsies when I'm doing a look like this. We're saving falsies for the glam. Now, what you're wearing on the lips is totally up to you. You can go for a lip balm, you can go for a lip gloss, lipstick, lip pencil, anything you like. I have been wearing this every single day. This is by Pat McGrath, and this is actually a cream highlighter. This one is the Skin Fetish Highlighter Balm Duo in the color Nude, and look how much is left. There's nothing left. Literally, I press my lips into this highlighter to get something out of it. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm literally pressing my lips into the tube to get some like product out. It like takes down the redness a little bit and makes them a bit more nude, but it also gives them a beautiful shine. And then the other side is a balm, and look, nothing left. And I take the balm just a little bit on my finger, tap it on top, and that is a super like healthy, shiny, balmy lip. That is what I do. That is how I wake up, and when I don't want to wear makeup, this is what I do. I wear tinted moisturizer, a little bit of concealer, a little bit of powder. I push my brows up, I push my lashes up, put a little sheen on my lips, and that's it. And this might be a lot to a lot of people out there. But coming from the most full coverage junkie, we've come a long way. And that, guys, is what I believe to be a way more realistic take on the natural makeup challenge, where in 2017, I was in denial and thought it was the natural look, whereas I feel like this actually is a lot more natural and wearable. Definitely let me know in the comments down below which side you prefer, the 2017 side or today's 2018 side. Definitely in the comments down below, let me know some of your favorite more natural products, because now that I've found out about this whole new like life, I've been a lot more interested in like more wearable products. I should probably do a video where a full coverage addict, me, tries Glossier products. For today's Winter Wonder winner, my final giveaway of Winter Wonder Week, and that doesn't mean there won't be a giveaway in the next video, but for Winter Wonder Week, the final giveaway is that you can win every single product used in this look, plus you get a $500 makeup gift card. And not one, not 2, not 3, but 5 Glow Babies will win this prize. So you get this full look and you get $500 to shop some makeup. So definitely enter this giveaway by, of course, being subscribed to my channel, giving this video a thumbs up, and leaving a comment down below about anything. That's it, my Glow Babies. Thank you so much for watching Winter Wonder Week 2018. This is going up on Christmas Eve, and I just want to wish you a very Merry Christmas. I hope you spend your days with your loved ones. 2018 has been a very rocky year, and this will be the first Christmas without our little brother. Please promise me that you spend this Christmas, or this ordinary Monday if you don't, celebrate Christmas, please promise me that you spend it with your loved ones, with your friends, with your family, with the people that matter to you, and tell them that. Be vocal about it. Like, let's all be a little bit nicer to each other, and it never hurts to tell someone you love them. Thank you so much for always believing in me and having my back. And this is not the last video of December 2018. I will be back. I love you so, so much. And hopefully I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.